The boy who never won. Ravi was known for one thing. He never won. Not in studies. Not in sports. Not even in life. In school, teachers ignored him. Friends laughed at him. Whenever results came, his name was always at the bottom. One day, during a race competition, Ravi decided to participate. Everyone laughed. "Bro, you can't even run properly. You'll come last again." But Ravi stayed silent. The race started. All the fast runners rushed ahead. Ravi slowly followed. Within seconds, he was last, far behind everyone. People in the crowd started laughing. Same Ravi. Always last. But Ravi kept running, step by step. Even when others finished, he didn't stop. He crossed the finish line. Last. As always. No claps. No cheers. Only silence. That night, Ravi sat alone on the terrace, looking at the sky. He whispered, "Why am I always like this?" Days passed. Nothing changed. Failures kept coming. And slowly, Ravi stopped trying. One day, his teacher announced, "There will be a scholarship exam. Only one student will be selected." Everyone got excited. Except Ravi. He didn't even want to try. But his mother said something that changed everything. "Beta, winning is not important. Trying is." For the first time in his life, Ravi decided to try. Not for winning, but for himself. He started studying. Every day. Every night. While others slept, he stayed awake. While others wasted time, he practiced. People still laughed. Look at him, acting smart now. But Ravi didn't stop. Exam day came. Ravi was nervous. His hands were shaking. But he remembered his mother's words. Trying is enough. He gave the exam. Days passed. Results were about to be announced. The entire school gathered. The teacher smiled and said, "This year, the winner is someone unexpected." Everyone got excited. The student who scored highest is... Pause. Ravi closed his eyes. He already knew. It won't be him. Ravi. For a moment, everything went silent. Ravi opened his eyes. Did I hear that right? Students were shocked. Teachers were surprised. And Ravi, he couldn't believe it. For the first time in his life, he didn't come last. Tears rolled down his eyes. Not because he won, but because he finally proved he was never useless. Later that evening, Ravi ran to his home to tell his mother. But when he reached, the door was locked. Neighbors were standing outside. His heart started racing. What happened? One neighbor looked at him and said softly, "Your mother passed away this morning." Ravi froze. No, that's not possible." The neighbor continued. "She had been sick for a long time, but she didn't tell you. She wanted you to focus on your studies." Ravi dropped to his knees, crying uncontrollably. Then he remembered her last words. Trying is enough. That day, Ravi didn't just win an exam. He understood something bigger. Some people don't stay forever, but their words do. Years later, Ravi became successful. Not because he was the smartest, but because he never stopped trying. And on his table, there was always one photo. His mother, with one line written below it. "I tried because you believed." Fire-ending hook. Sometimes, the person who believes in you leaves before your success arrives.